Alright, so today we're going to soak our pistons. First thing we want to do is get our rings off. We have a new set coming. Okay, we're gonna ain't she pretty? Anyways, let's start pouring our cleaner in. So the question is, did pine sol destroy my pistons? Nope, but it sure did clean them up. And look at the color on the rods. So for comparison, here's the rods. And I haven't finished scrubbing the piston yet. I'm using a nylon brush, and I'm not even pushing on it. And I mean, it's just, that stuff is coming right off. Look inside, how clean it is. I still can't get over that. The connecting rod color. Look at that. Look at that piston. So I'm going to say no. Pine sol did not kill my pistons. Sure did clean them. Like I said, I'm really not putting much pressure on here. I'm just letting the bristles do the work. Alright, I'm going to take a compression ring. We're going to break it. We're just going to kind of just push through the channel here to clean up any debris that might be in there. I'm not putting a lot of force on it. Really just making sure it's got a clean, smooth surface to sit on. Those channels for the rings are nice and clean. Yeah, look at that. That connecting rod though. Alright, so we're just gonna set it back in there until we're ready to take it to the hose. So when you get your bearings, they're going to tell you what position they go in. When you open your box, 290 is position 1, 288 is 2 and 5, and 287 is 3 and 4. So number 1 is going to be the only one. Wow. What in the world? Just that one. Well, I think I'm too far past to file a claim with that. Anyway, that's number 1. It's got the 2 holes in it. I think I'm going to push this back in the corner and call it a day.